The Pipe HEX is the most efficient of the Recoup product range. The unit requires wastewater to pass vertically through the unit under normal gravity flow conditions, and therefore must be installed on the floor below the shower. The cold mains water passes through the unit in the opposing direction, preheating the cold supply to the shower and/or water heater depending on the system layout A, B or C. The Recoup Pipe HEX is the standard vertical model, offering the highest efficiency of the Pipe HEX range with a heat exchanger length of 2.1 meters and an efficiency of up to 68.5%. The Pipe HEX Rd is a shorter version of the Pipe HEX. At 1.7 meters heat exchanger length, it provides a solution where installation height is restricted with little compromise on efficiency. The Recoup Pipe HEX and Pipe HEX Rd models are installed as System A, B or C and can connect to multiple showers depending on design criteria. The system type that has been specified through SAP calculations must be followed to meet the energy requirements for the property. Where it is not possible to install the Recoup Pipe HEX on the floor below the shower, the Pipe HEX Active can be used. The Active model comprises the vertical Pipe HEX unit, buffer vessel, sauna shower flat pump and waste. The Recoup Pipe HEX Active can be supplied with the standard length or the shorter RD length Pipe HEX unit. The sauna shower pump pumps the shower wastewater up to the buffer on the top of the Pipe HEX unit, allowing the installation of our highest efficiency wastewater heat recovery system on the same floor as the shower. The Recoup Pipe HEX Active and Pipe HEX Rd Active are also installed as System A, B or C, depending on specification.